Here is the trolley ML. Such trolleys are usually used for wet, which means heavy linen, to make the process of its displacement to washing machines easier. Walls of the trolley are made of wire mesh and round tube. One of the main advantages of this construction is spring-mounted bottom. Thanks to the spring, produced of a special type of steel, bottom of the trolley goes down gradually in the course of loading of the linen, and it goes back in the course of unloading. It is also important to mention that side walls and bottom of the trolley are covered with polystyrene of 2 mm of thickness. Polystyrene on the side walls and bottom assures safety of the linen, excluding its getting into a mesh, and protection from dirt, excluding wet linen contact with metal wall of the trolley and outside dirt. Construction also has gaps between the side walls to assure easy mounting and dismounting of the polystyrene. All the trolleys are supplied with 4 wheels of diameter of 125 mm, which makes trolley easy to move. Arrangement of wheels depend upon the model. Small trolley is completed with 4 swivel wheels in the format 2+2 in the corners. Big trolley wheels are placed in the format 1-2-1 in the shape of rhomb. We would like to pay a special attention to the quality of welding connections. Each rod is welded along the whole perimeter, not just in one spot, which makes welding connection more resistant to break. Consequently, the whole construction is stronger and safe. Trolley ML is completed with 4 polyurethane crash protectors, which protect all the construction and other objects from damage and prolonged term of exploitation. Damping effect of crash protectors is assured by elastic material, polyurethane. External dimensions of the trolleys are small trolley ML, big trolley ML. Weight of trolleys is correspondingly 41 and 66 kilograms. Maximum load of the trolleys is up to 40 kilograms and up to 90 kilograms correspondingly. In general, trolley ML in its standard set has 4 swivel wheels, polystyrene on the bottom and side walls, 4 polyurethane crash protectors.